Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check TikTok total views. So for this, please open the TikTok app on this Android device. So when it's open the TikTok app, now you will go quickly in the profile icon is the right below. So now you will have to go on the top right corner of three lines of settings and go to TikTok Studio. So from here you will see the analytics. So you will just click to tab on view all. So here is the overview. So in the overview you will see the I will just choose the 365 days. So the post views 17k. So if I switch to 60 days, so the post views 2940 views. So if I switch to 28 days and 7 days is the 904 views. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.